Plugging the hole, mastering English phrases. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, plug the hole. This phrase is not just about fixing leaks. It's loaded with meanings and uses in everyday English. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you master this phrase. Plug the hole literally means to stop a liquid or gas from escaping by filling or covering a hole. Imagine a bucket with a hole. If you don't plug it, water will leak out. This physical action is the base of our phrase. In a figurative sense, plug the hole means to quickly solve a problem or address a deficiency in a system or plan. For instance, if a business is losing money, finding a way to stop the loss is like plugging a hole in their finances. Let's see how this phrase works in different contexts. 1. Business and work. Our budget was leaking money due to unnecessary expenses, so we had to plug the hole by cutting down costs. 2. Personal life. I realized I was spending too much time on social media, so I plugged the hole in my schedule by limiting my online hours. 3. In emergencies. When the crisis hit, the team acted fast to plug the hole and prevent further issues. Be careful not to confuse plug the hole with similar phrases. It's about solving or preventing problems, not just about filling physical spaces. Try using plug the hole in your conversations or writings. Remember, it's most effective when talking about resolving issues or stopping losses. Plug the hole is a versatile phrase in English, perfect for describing efforts to fix problems, both big and small. We hope this video helps you understand and use it effectively in your English conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.